Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the minimum function in SQL, which is an aggregate function. So in our previous three videos we have discussed about the count function, average function and the sum function. In this video we are going to discuss about the minimum function, which returns the smallest value of a particular column. Now we have this email data dot promotional mail table in which we have details about the email that has been sent to the subscribers, and the last column in this table is the mail opening time. Now if you want to get the minimum time on which a user is opening their email, you can use this minimum function. So in order to use that minimum function, what you need to do is that you need to put select. Then if you want to get the minimum time at each subscriber level, you can put subscriber ID here, and then you have to put this minimum function. Once you open this bracket, you have to put the column from which you want to get the minimum. For us it's mail underscore opening time, and then you have to put the table name from which you are getting these columns, right? Now whenever you're using any aggregate function, you should use the group by function, because you want to summarize this mail opening time at a subscriber level. So we'll use this group by and we'll put this subscriber ID. Now if I run this query, you will get each and every subscriber's minimum email opening time. This means that this subscriber is opening their email at 1 AM in the morning. So this is how basically you use the minimum function. Now if you want to get the minimum mail opening time of the entire population of your data, you can simply put minimum function on the column for which you want to get the minimum value. So you will simply put select, then the minimum, and then column name from the table name, and then you have to remove this group by. You don't need to put group by once you are calculating the minimum time for this entire population. So now if I run this query, ideally you should get the minimum mail opening time as 1. Reason being that in our previous SQL query we got the minimum mail opening time is 1 AM, right? So if I run this query, so for the entire population you are also getting the minimum mail opening time is 1 AM. So this is how basically you use minimum at an aggregated level as well as at the entire table population. If you want to learn or understand more about SQL, then you can click on the right side to watch my other videos. Else if you want to learn about Excel for data analytics, you can click on the left side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.